I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the essentials that let you build real pages right away. Learn HTML for structure, CSS for layout and design, and basic JavaScript for interactivity. Practice by cloning simple examples and tweaking them. Make sure to install VS Code and enable linting and formatting so your code stays consistent. Once done, create a GitHub account and push your first repository. Commit frequently to build a visible history that employers can review and you can improve from. Now focus on deeper skills that complete your toolkit. Manipulate the DOM, make fetch calls to APIs, and create responsive, accessible layouts. Start by building 3 purposeful projects: a personal portfolio, a small interactive app, and a CRUD app that talks to a public API. These demonstrate range and persistence. While building, pick one modern framework like React or Vue and learn state management, component structure, and routing, because frameworks speed development and are expected in junior roles. Finish by polishing your portfolio. Deploy projects, write clear README, and include screenshots and a live demo link so anyone can test your work immediately. Apply to internships and junior roles while doing timed coding challenges to sharpen problem solving. Practice explaining decisions in plain language during interviews. If you hit a blocker, isolate the issue with console logs, reduce the problem to a minimal reproducible example, and ask precise questions on forums or to mentors so you get useful, fast help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.